8 herbs to protect eyes and improve vision. In our modern, screen-dominated world, maintaining eye health is crucial. Both prolonged exposure to digital devices and the natural aging process can negatively impact our vision. Fortunately, nature provides effective remedies. This video highlights 8 herbs to protect eyes and improve vision, combining traditional knowledge with contemporary research. From antioxidant-rich bilberry to inflammation-fighting turmeric, incorporating these 8 herbs into your diet can support overall eye health and keep your vision sharp for years to come. We will also look into how much of each herb you should take for optimal results and any precautions to keep in mind when adding them to your routine. Now, let's explore each herb in detail. 1. Bilberry. Bilberries are small berries that are very close relatives to other bark berries such as blueberries, cranberries, and huckleberries. They're often referred to as European blueberries as they're very similar in appearance to North American blueberries. However, the flesh inside bilberries is a lot darker and carries a more purple or crimson hue, which can be attributed to the higher concentrations of anthocyanin. Bilberry's ability to support eye health is attributed to these anthocyanins. These compounds act as antioxidants, helping neutralize free radicals and prevent oxidative stress, a common culprit in the development of age-related macular degeneration and cataract formation. The retina, where the macula is found, is particularly sensitive to oxidative stress due to its high oxygen consumption and increased light exposure. This is why bilberries, thanks to the anthocyanin's protective qualities against oxidative stress, can be so beneficial in age-related macular degeneration. Further, the rich anthocyanin's content has been shown to boost the production of rhodopsin, which is a light-sensitive pigment that helps the eye adapt to light changes and improve night vision. Moreover, a research done on office workers found that bilberry supplementation reduced eye fatigue, ocular pain, eye heaviness, and uncomfortable sensations in the eye, all of which are associated with prolonged blue light exposure emitted from digital devices. Bilberry has also been shown to improve glaucoma, characterized by increased pressure within the eye, which can damage the optic nerve and lead to vision loss if left untreated. Bilberry may be supportive of glaucoma, as shown in a 2-year study where over 300 patients who had been diagnosed with normal tension glaucoma were recruited. At the end of the 2 years, the patients who took an extract with 120 milligrams of bilberry anthocyanins daily showed an improvement in visual function by around 30%, while the placebo group experienced worsening visual function. Additionally, bilberry contains flavonoids and tannins, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties and further enhance its protective effects on the eyes. Bilberries are considered safe for most people when consumed in typical amounts of 20 to 60 grams of dried berries per day or 100 to 300 grams of fresh berries per day. A supplement of 100 to 400 grams daily for 4 to 8 weeks can also be taken. That being said, larger doses found in some supplements may be an issue, especially when taken over long periods. Bilberries are rich in vitamin K, which thickens blood and helps your blood clot. This may impact those on blood-thinning medications. They may also interact with some medications like a cancer drug called erlotinib, Tarceva, and anti-diabetic drugs. Bilberry supplements may not be safe for children, as well as pregnant or breastfeeding women. Additionally, individuals with allergies to plants in the Ericaceae family, which includes blueberries and cranberries, should exercise caution when consuming bilberry products. 2. Ginko biloba. Ginko biloba, or maidenhair, is a tree native to China that has been grown for thousands of years for a variety of uses. Because it's the only surviving member of an ancient order of plants, it's sometimes referred to as a living fossil. While its leaves and seeds are often used in traditional Chinese medicine, modern research primarily focuses on ginkgo extract, which is made from the leaves. Ginkgo supplements are associated with several health claims and uses, most of which focus on brain function and improved blood circulation, including to the eyes. This can improve vision and protect against age-related eye conditions. It also contains flavonoids and terpenoids that act as powerful antioxidants, safeguarding eye tissues from oxidative stress. So, how much should you take? A bulk of evidence support the safety of taking 120 to 160 milligrams of Ginkgo biloba supplement divided into several doses throughout the day. There is no clearly defined maximum dosage, but it's wise to start with a lower dose and work your way up to ensure tolerance. That being said, most research has not evaluated doses greater than 600 milligrams per day, so it's probably not a good idea to exceed this amount. For most people, the risk associated with taking ginkgo is relatively low, but there are cases in which it could cause side effects like nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, headache, stomach pain, and rash. Also, if you are allergic to plants that contain alkylphenols or taking certain medications, like blood thinners, antidepressants, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen and naproxen, you should not take ginkgo. 3. Saffron. Saffron is a spice derived from the dried stigma of the Crocus sativus flower, commonly known as the saffron crocus. It is one of the most expensive spices by weight due to the labor-intensive process of harvesting the delicate stigmas by hand. Saffron contains high levels of antioxidants such as crocin and saffronol, which have been shown to protect the cells in the eyes from damage caused by oxidative stress. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and prevent age-related macular degeneration, which is a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Additionally, saffron has been found to improve blood flow to the retina, enhancing overall visual function. A 2017 study looked at the effects of saffron in 54 people with dry age-related macular degeneration. Researchers split participants into two groups, a control group and a treatment group. The treatment group took 50 milligrams of saffron daily for 3 months. Researchers found a significant improvement in visual acuity and contrast sensitivity in the treatment group and no improvement in the control group. This led the researchers to conclude that short-term intake of saffron may slow the progression of dry age-related macular degeneration and help improve vision. The recommended daily dosage of saffron for general health purposes is typically around 30 milligrams per day. On the other hand, high doses of 5 grams or more can have toxic effects. Pregnant people should avoid high doses as it may cause miscarriage. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden yellow spice derived from the curcuma longa plant, has gained popularity not only in culinary applications but also in traditional medicine for its potential health benefits. Curcumin, the primary bioactive compound in turmeric, exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is associated with various eye conditions, including age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and uveitis. By reducing inflammation in the eyes and surrounding tissues, curcumin may help alleviate symptoms and slow the progression of inflammatory eye diseases. Curcumin also contains antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body, including the eyes. Oxidative stress can damage cells and tissues, leading to vision problems and eye diseases such as cataracts and glaucoma. Moreover, some research suggests that curcumin may improve blood flow, including to the eyes. Proper blood circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the eyes and removing waste products. By enhancing blood flow, curcumin may support overall eye health and reduce the risk of conditions related to poor circulation, such as AMD and glaucoma. To incorporate turmeric into your routine for eye health, consider adding turmeric powder to your cooking in combination with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin. You can also take turmeric supplements, which typically contain standardized curcumin extract. They are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. Dosage recommendations may vary depending on the formulation and concentration of curcumin, so it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Rosemary. This fragrant herb native to the Mediterranean region is well known for its culinary uses and medicinal properties. While rosemary is often praised for its benefits for cognitive function and digestion, it also offers potential support for eye health through several mechanisms. For one, rosemary contains compounds such as carnosic acid, rosmarinic acid, and flavonoids, which possess potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, including those that can damage cells in the eyes. By reducing oxidative stress, rosemary may help protect the eyes from age-related conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Secondly, rosemary contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help mitigate inflammation in the eyes and surrounding tissues. By reducing inflammation, rosemary may help prevent or slow the progression of inflammatory eye diseases, including glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. Rosemary also contains compounds that have been shown to improve circulation by dilating blood vessels and enhancing blood flow. By promoting adequate blood supply to the eyes, rosemary may support overall eye health and function. Moreover, compounds found in rosemary, such as carnosic acid, have been studied for their potential to protect against nerve damage and degeneration. By preserving the integrity of retinal cells and nerve fibers, rosemary may help maintain vision and prevent neurodegenerative eye diseases. To incorporate rosemary into your diet for potential eye health benefits, you can use fresh or dried rosemary leaves to season various dishes. You can also prepare rosemary tea by steeping fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for several minutes. Take this tea several times a day. 6. Dandelion. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, is a common herbaceous plant with bright yellow flowers and serrated leaves that are often considered a nuisance in gardens. However, dandelion has a long history of medicinal use, particularly in traditional herbal medicine systems. While primarily known for its diuretic properties and support for liver health, dandelion also offers potential benefits for eye health through its rich nutritional profile and antioxidant content. Dandelion leaves are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and beta-carotene. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, as it supports the function of the retina and helps protect the surface of the eye. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, acts as an antioxidant and may help reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. In addition to beta-carotene, dandelion contains additional antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Additionally, dandelion possesses anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the eyes and alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory eye conditions. By modulating the inflammatory response, dandelion may support overall eye health and function. While not directly related to eye health, dandelion's diuretic properties may indirectly benefit the eyes by promoting fluid balance and reducing water retention in the body. Excess fluid retention can lead to puffiness and swelling around the eyes, causing discomfort and affecting vision. By promoting urine production and eliminating excess fluid, dandelion may help alleviate puffiness and support ocular comfort. To reap the benefits of dandelion for eye health, it is recommended to consume it as a supplement or in tea form. Dandelion supplements are available in capsule or liquid form and can be taken daily to support overall eye health. Drinking dandelion tea regularly can also provide similar benefits for the eyes. When taking dandelion supplements or drinking dandelion tea for eye health, it is important to follow the recommended dosage instructions on the product packaging. Generally, a typical dose of dandelion extract is around 500 mg per day, but this may vary depending on individual needs and health goals. While dandelion is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, there are some precautions to consider. Those with allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed or marigolds, may experience allergic reactions when consuming dandelion. Additionally, dandelion may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, diuretics, and medications metabolized by the liver. 7. Fennel. Fennel is a versatile herb that is not only used in cooking but also offers numerous health benefits. Fennel contains high levels of antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are essential for maintaining good eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They may also help fight against glaucoma. In fact, some people with serious eye conditions such as cataract and glaucoma use fennel tea as an eye wash. In a 2000 study, researchers found that a drop of fennel aqueous seed extract reduced intraocular pressure in glaucoma patients, which means that fennel could one day be used as an anti-glaucoma medication or eye drop solution. To reap the benefits of fennel for eye health, it is recommended to incorporate it into your diet regularly. This can be done by adding fennel seeds or fresh fennel bulbs to salads, soups, stews, or using them as a seasoning for dishes. Additionally, you can brew fennel tea by steeping crushed fennel seeds in hot water for a few minutes. 8. Chamomile. Chamomile, known for its calming properties and gentle aroma, can offer several potential benefits for eye health. It contains bioactive compounds, such as chamomile and alpha-bisabolol, which exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation and irritation in the eyes, making chamomile beneficial for relieving symptoms of conditions like conjunctivitis, pink eye, and dry eye syndrome. Chamomile is also rich in antioxidants, including apigenin and quercetin, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. By protecting the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative damage, chamomile may help maintain overall eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Moreover, the soothing and calming properties of chamomile make it beneficial for alleviating eye strain and discomfort. Chamomile eye compresses or rinses can help relieve tired, itchy, or puffy eyes, providing instant relief and promoting relaxation. Chamomile can be used topically as an eye wash or compress, or it can be consumed orally as a tea. To prepare a chamomile eye wash or compress, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow the infusion to cool to a comfortable temperature before using it as an eye wash or soaking a clean cloth in the solution to make a compress. Apply the compress to closed eyes for 5 to 10 minutes as needed for relief. If consuming chamomile as a tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the tea up to 3 times a day. In conclusion, incorporating these herbs into your diet or using them in herbal remedies can provide a natural boost to your eye health. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new herbs, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural wellness. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.